Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-alright. Today is the day 35 of our daily message. Ganda ng sombrero ko, no? Thank you, Boss Ryan. Before we begin, I would like to give a special shoutouts. Shoutout natin si Spin Zone Club for continuously growing and expanding. Saan ba mga venue niya? Take note, QC, Bataan, Antipolo, and more location coming soon. Kaya watch out kayo, ha? Congrats, ha? Napakaganda. Makita na lumalawak ang opportunities para sa ating mga players sa iba't ibang lugar. It's growing, man. Keep it up and more power to your club. Kaya makanda yan talaga, ha? And also a belated happy birthday to our President Elizer Mendoza, our PTTF Region 8 President. Thank you for your dedication and service in promoting table tennis in your region. Sobrang idol ka namin dito, ha? Okay? I would also like to congratulate our young national athletes for winning a bronze medal in 15 under boys doubles event at the CU 2026 in Singapore. Osh and Kevin, you're doing so great. With this, we are now have a total of 3 bronze medals brought home this year. Congratulations everyone and keep going, keep shining, alright? Congratulations talaga, ha? Kaya kayong mga iba, don't worry, continuous lang natin yan, ha? Just work harder, sacrifices and dedication continue to make our country proud. Kayo ang next generation natin. Keep shining, ha? And continue to fight for our Philippines. Yan. Nakakatuwa makita ng ating sport ay patuloy na lumalago. Mas maraming clubs, mas maraming players, mas maraming opportunities. And that brings me to today's message. Growth never stops. So we don't stop, okay? Maraming players akala nila kapag magaling na sila, sapat na. But here is the truth. There is always another level. Sa table tennis, may mas magaling pa. May mas mabilis pa. May mas consistent pa. Kaya that's why you should never stop improving. Huwag ka masatisfy kung ano meron ka ngayon. Keep striving harder. So to all our kapongers out there, keep training, keep learning, and keep pushing yourself. Kailangan todo natin lagi. Because the moment you stop growing, that's the moment you get left behind. Kaya, always remember mga kapongers that, okay? Winners don't stop when they get good. They stop when they get best out of themselves. And if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, please help me share this so we can reach more people. And if you would like a shout out, just comment down below. And if you have a legitimate club or event to promote, feel free to message me. Let's continue to grow together. Sama-sama tayo. Okay? And this is Coach Ting again. And this is the day 35 of our daily message. See you again tomorrow. From the world of table tennis. Bye. Thank you.